will I do this again? 2 days road trip, Florida to Arizona. Like, will I go back to Arizona to see my friends with my car? Well, I changed my car.
Hey you! Don't watch that! Watch this! This is the heavy monster.
My classes are all over today.
Well, listen, Buster, you better start to move your feet to the rockinest, rock steady beat of madness.
I'm going to Daytona, Florida to check out my possible new car. So right now I'm at my possibly new car. I'm currently doing the test drive. There's only one sign on the dashboard, which is for the tire sensor, which is pretty easy to fix. This is 2009 Mazda 3 i Sport Sedan. It's 5-seaters. Yes, I said goodbye to my 2006 Ford Explorer after 2 days road trip. It was a trade-off plus $1,000. I bought this car from the Facebook Marketplace, the great place. I drove for a few weeks and so far it's pretty good. This car has no reversing issue. AC blows really well. So far I fueled up about 4 times in about 3 weeks. If I had the same condition with my 2006 Ford Explorer by this time, I think I will fuel up, 10 times. I think this car for the college people, fantastic. So yeah, trade-off between 2009 Mazda 3 with a 2006 Ford Explorer. Was it a good trade-off? The extra stuff is, I would say, the wipers are pretty crappy. And the window tints, like this is fine. That's not good. The back is super smoky. And that is why I decided to rip the freaking tint screen off of my back of my car. It was literally nogada. To do all that, I think it took about 45 minutes to 1 hour. So it wasn't that hard job. Today we are entering the first week of February and I want to talk about my first week of my school for spring 2024. So I'm a student at the Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Daytona Beach in Florida, and here's how my usual day goes. I get up in the morning, I take the free shuttle bus provided by SGA from the school, go to school, take some boring ass classes, have some amazing lunch, do some homework, do some editing stuff in the library, and go back to my home. In our school we have Qdoba, Chick-fil-A, we have another food station called Refueling Station. It's operated by Sodexo. There are so much options. Sushi rolls, pizza made right in front of you. At least I haven't found the moth in the salad. Back to the car story. I hope my 2006 Ford Explorer is doing well. I mean, I really don't care anymore because it's not mine anymore. But when I see the picture, it's like, oh, there's a baby I threw out to the orphanage. It feels like that. The color was really sexy. I like that. My current Mazda doesn't have that sexy color. After the college, I'll probably buy Terra Motors or Tesla Model 3 or my dream car, Tesla Cybertruck. I'll see you in the next video.